Okay, so Jonathan Ruiz, your accounting coach, survival tips. So again, thank you so much for following my Instagram page at CPA Dreams and my Facebook page CPA Dreams. And again, if you have families and friends that you think that this lesson will help them, please do share it with them. Okay, so our topic today is, I divided it in two parts actually. So this is, but before that, I would like you to invite your families and friends who are taking senior high school K to 12 basic education curriculum, ABM, or accountancy, business and management, specialized subject. Or if someone who is going to take the Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, they are going to learn from this mini video series because these are the basics and foundation of accounting. Basic accounting, accounting 101. Okay, fundamental concepts and principles. So they are going to learn uh, many lessons actually. So now, moving on, like what I have said, our agenda is books of accounts. So I divided it into two parts. This is the part one, which will be focusing on the journal. So we are going to identify the types of book of accounts, and then I'm going to uh, give some illustration or format or of special journals. Okay, so this is a very short lesson. Again, two major books of accounts. We have journal and ledgers. Okay, so journal is what they call books of original entry, and ledgers, this is the books of final entry. Which comes first? Okay, of course, the journal and then the ledger. But let's take a look in the steps of accounting cycle. First step is identifying and analyzing transactions and events. So this means from the source documents, you analyze and identify the business transactions. And from there, you are going to think what will be the impact in the accounting equation, in the assets equals liabilities plus equity. Then you are going to journalize. So journalizing is the second step. So this comes the journal. Okay. So types of journal. Okay, so we have simple journal. This is a book of original entry used to record all transactions. And then we have special journal, a multi-column book to record transactions of a similar nature. So to illustrate, so this is a general journal. This is a sample of general journal in which you have the date, the particulars or the description, and then debit and credit. Then you have the combination journal. This is a simple journal with several money columns. Okay, so you will see here in the general journal, you only have uh, two columns of debit and credit. But here in the combination, this is combined, you have each type of transactions under cash of consulting fees, wages, expense, debit, and credit. Okay, then special journal. Okay, one example here on the top left, we have cash receipt journal. This cash receipts journal all transactions involving the receipts of cash. So meaning, for example, you collected cash from your customers. So this will be recorded here in the cash receipts journal. Another type is the cash disbursements journal. So all transactions involving payment of cash. For example, you pay for inventory in cash, you pay for expenses in cash. So this goes to this type of journal. Now you have the sales journal. Here, all transactions involving sale of merchandise, okay, or sale of services. And then we have also the purchases journal, all transactions involving the purchase of merchandise for regular sale. Okay, so what else are other special journals? We have here the voucher register. This is used in voucher system. Okay, all transactions giving involving payment of cash immediately in the future. What are the other types of special journals? We have check register, requisition journal, finished goods journal, factory journal. In the check register, this is used in a voucher system, all transactions involving payment of check. And then requisition journal in cost accounting system, you have transactions involving issuance of new materials, manufacturing supplies to different departments. And then finished goods journal is used in cost accounting, which is the cost of goods that were completed and transferred to the finished goods stock room. Then factory journal, this is in cost accounting as well, the operations of the factory under dual accounting control. So recap of what we have learned today: major types of books of accounts, which is the journal and ledger. We define the journals. We illustrate the format of general and special journals and combination journals. And thank you so much for following this mini video series. So please like and share our FB page. I believe that you can make it. Just continue studying. Mabuhay po kayo.